A frozen Cache Giraffe progress bar does not always mean your rewards are gone. Cache Giraffe has continued releasing app updates with bug fixes. So the first things to check are the app version, connection, and whether the activity is actually registering. By the end, you'll know the safest order to troubleshoot a frozen progress bar without immediately deleting the app and risking locally stored progress. First, completely close Cache Giraffe and reopen it. Then check whether your internet connection is working normally by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A connection problem can prevent the app from updating progress even when the game itself is still running. Next, open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Cache Giraffe. If an update is available, install it before continuing. The iPhone version has received multiple updates specifically listed as bug fixes, including version 1.5.4, released on July 22. If the progress bar is still frozen, restart your phone and open Cache Giraffe again. Google's Android troubleshooting guidance also recommends restarting an affected app and checking for updates before moving to more aggressive fixes. There's another thing to check before clearing anything. Make sure the game or activity you are using was actually launched through Cache Giraffe. The reward system depends on tracking eligible activity, and user reports show that some games can stop registering progress or rewards. On an Android, you can also force stop Cache Giraffe from settings, then reopen it. If that does not work, clearing the app cache can be worth trying. Avoid clearing app data or uninstalling Cache Giraffe as your first move, because those actions can remove locally stored app information. If the bar remains frozen after the update, restart, connection check, and force stop steps. Take screenshots showing the frozen progress and the activity you completed. Then contact Cache Giraffe, support with your device information, app version, and a clear description of what stopped updating. The key points are simple. Update Cache Giraffe first. Verify that your activity is being tracked, and avoid uninstalling the app before you've protected your account information and documented the missing progress. Your next step is to check for a Cache Giraffe update, restart the app, and test the progress bar again. If this fixed the issue, like the video and subscribe for more Cache Giraffe troubleshooting guides.